Hello guys, welcome to Amenny Property TV channel. So then today this video is actually I purposely make for those new agent. If you just step into the real estate industry and you do not know how to conduct your first viewing, and I would like to show you from the customer text to me, and after that then they actually make appointment with me, and I managed to find property that this is suitable for them to invest. So now I would like to go to the appointment. Let's go, and I will show you how to conduct your first property tour. I know there's always a challenge for a new agent when you make appointment with your customer and you're afraid that the customer not turn up. So then this is some of the procedure that actually you need to do. If you are new to this industry, very important, the step one is to double confirm with the customer, and so that when you reach the property and the customer won't aeroplane you, and you can have a good showing later. So it's important every appointment you need to reach 15 minutes before the appointment, so that you prepare yourself, then you check whatever things that you need to prepare, and you have more confidence to meet up with your customer. My appointment with my customer is at 2 p.m. So then I will reach about 1:45 or 1:48. I can get ready to show my customer. Alright, now I'm arriving to the parking. So I'm actually at the visitor parking, and I'm going to meet up with my customer. So basically, it's important that, as I say, that you need to be in appointment at least maybe 10 to 15 minutes before the appointment, because that will able to allow you to have sufficient time in case there's a jam or something actually hiccup. So now I'm going to wait for my client to text me, and I'm going to wait for my client at lobby. So later on, I'm going to show you how to do the property tour. Alright, my client just text me, say they're at the car park. So now I'm waiting for them to come down from the car park. So then behind here, there's access to the North Tower. I'm actually have my QR code, and later on I'll scan and bring my client to see the units. Okay, 我看一下灯先哦，有没有卡？这个做好题的。全部是租客来的。OK， 它的这个 property 它是 originally 就是已经是这样子的 furniture， 只是呢，可能这一些setting 它有换一点点这样子，要不然的话呢，它其实是 original， 它已经是有这一些这样子了啊。然后这边的租金也是很不错的。你
上个租facility 上的话，每天都 OK 的，它 management 嘛，在哪这边
？maintenance 还是很 OK 的，等一下我们可以过去看哦。
它自己的 management group so far 是 OK 的。
so far 是 OK 的，你可以看到它的那个外面那些全部的 maintenance， 你就会知道了的。所以我不敢讲它是 tip top 啦，但是你看它东西很不错的。你看，好像这一个这样多年了，你看它的东西还是不错吗？它是 original 啦，只是旧一点点啦。但是你看它的外面的那些东西全部还是很 OK 的，你看到吗？
只是讲他们的 unit 的 management 啊，他们讲，因为有些是好像很多麻烦啊、不理啊这样子哦。
其实马来西亚老实跟你讲啊，都是会是这样子的，你不能够要求到我们像外国这样子，没有可能啊。Okay, I just complete my property tour with my client, and I have showed them the units inside, the corridor, the lobby, and also the facilities. So this is how we conduct our property tour. That's all, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.